You ever put a plate of food in the microwave, and one side is the surface of the sun, while the other side is still a frozen tundra of betrayal? Yeah, microwaves are wild. We trust them with our pizza, our popcorn, our fragile leftovers. But have you ever wondered how this strange glowing box of mystery actually heats your food? Well, guess what? It's not fire, it's not heat coils, and it's definitely not magic. It's radiation. Yup. You are literally nuking your lunch. When we say microwave, we're talking about a specific kind of electromagnetic wave. Not the thing in your kitchen, but the invisible buzzing energy it shoots out inside. These waves are about 12 centimeters long, longer than light waves, shorter than radio waves. Your microwave oven blasts them out with something called a magnetron, which sounds like a villain from Transformers, but is actually just a super angry metal tube that spits out energy. Okay, here's the cool part. Microwaves don't cook your food by heating it up from the outside like an oven. They vibrate water molecules. No joke. Water molecules are like tiny dumbbells, one oxygen, two hydrogens, and they're polar, meaning they have a slightly positive and negative end. When the microwave radiation hits them, they start spinning like drunk ballerinas, millions of times per second. That movement causes friction, and friction causes heat. So yeah, your food is heated because microwaves are violently shaking the water molecules inside it. Delightful. Now you're like, but then why is my food still cold in the middle? Great question, my skeptical friend. Microwaves don't always reach the center of your food, especially if it's thick, uneven, or shaped like an emotional support lasagna. And since microwaves heat from the inside out, not from the surface in, the outer part can get lava hot while the center is still chilling. Also, not everything heats evenly. Some parts of your food might have more water molecules. More water equals more shaking equals more heat. Less water? Sorry, you get a cold bite of shame. If you put metal in the microwave, congratulations, you've just summoned lightning. Microwaves cause electrons in the metal to dance chaotically, creating electric arcs, little bolts of kitchen lightning. Looks cool, very dangerous, don't do it. And popcorn? There's a tiny droplet of water inside each kernel. Microwave hits it, water turns to steam, pressure builds, boom. Popcorn is just an edible pressure bomb. So yeah, your microwave is basically a radiation machine powered by a magnetic death tube that vibrates water until your food screams in heat. Now, next time you're nuking your leftovers, just remember, you're not reheating, you're molecularly agitating lunch using violent waves from the invisible chaos dimension.